If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. I am trying to play around with my background. I have a mirror in the back that I didn't want to mount right away in case it didn't work here. So for this video, I am trying it with a mirror in the back. I've got some bottles that light up, so I'm just trying to play around with my background a little bit. If you're new to my channel, I create lifestyle content, beauty content, fashion content, so make sure to hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss any of those videos. For today's video, I am going to be unboxing the summer Fabfitfun box, and I'm really excited because I feel like for the past box or two, I feel like the last box and this box have been a little bit better than before. I feel like annual members, I think, get their boxes sooner and we're able to customize sooner than others, which I personally like because then at least this way I can get the products that I want. So I'm from Canada. The box is about $67 a box. So let's open it and see if I think it's worth it. Let's see what I picked, and let's also see what Fabfitfun picked for me. So it's a smaller box, but I think it's nice. I really do like the design on this. I think it's really pretty. So we always start off with a couple of the coupons, which I never use. Then we go into the magazine, which I actually always bring to my business so people can read and learn about Fabfitfun, so I do enjoy having these. So the very first thing that I'm going to be pulling out is the Yumi Kim, I think that's how you pronounce it, I don't really know. I recently purchased a home, and chargers are something that apparently just goes missing all the time. So when I seen this, I thought it would be perfect for when I have a nightstand and I can leave this by my bed. I also thought the floral design was really cute. So I'm really excited about this. It's actually so cute, and I can't wait just to have this sitting on like my little white nightstand when I get one, and always be able to just charge my phone at night. This here retailed for $35, so it's about half of the box. And in all honesty, I think it's worth it because I went out and bought a charger just from Walmart and it was about $20 some. So having a wireless charger is definitely something I'm interested in. This retails for $42. It's from Lifestyle Co. It is a beach mist. And from my understanding, after the sun, this is what you spray on to become more cool, to soothe your skin. So I am excited to try this out, and I'll definitely let you know if it's worth it or my full opinions on it during an empties video. I'm curious to see if this is gonna go quickly or if it's gonna be able to last me like a couple summers. I'm interested in knowing. These are the black eye masks and also a peel off mask, and I'm really excited because I really want to try a peel off mask, and I really do love their gel eye masks. These are really good if you put them in the fridge or the freezer to keep them cool. So I'm really excited. $59. I know it's worth it because I really did enjoy them in the past, and when I seen them again, I thought I really do need to add them into my box. So I'm excited because these are two skincare items that I'm excited to try. I know I'm gonna use. I'm really hoping that this mask is gonna be okay on my face. So maybe I'll do a video where I test out like new skincare or new products, and we'll see how everything goes. But I'm really excited to try out the black because they do have really good product. The next item I chose was the Zoella, I believe that's how you pronounce it, face and body ice roller. I have been really wanting something like this for probably a year, but I never invested in it just because I don't know. I've always wanted one, but I never actually went and bought one. And when there was an option to have one of them in your box, I said yes. Ooh, okay, so this looks really nice, and I could see, it's so cool. I can definitely see myself using this and putting it in the freezer just to keep it really cool. I do get very puffy and also near my under eyes, and I feel like this would be a nice way to, you know, relax before bed or to do a facial in the morning. So I'm very excited to try this out. So the next item's from Michael Kors. This is $78, and when I seen that they had this, I knew I had to get it. This is actually a passport holder. I don't travel. The last time I went somewhere was like to Florida in grade 9, so that was probably about like 8 years ago or more. And the only other place I went was like Niagara Falls, which is like 6 hours away from me. But I've always wanted something from Michael Kors or Coach or something like that because I want good quality items, but I never really wanted to pay the price for them. So when I seen that this was in the box, I thought I want to get it because I'm actually going to try and use it as a little wallet. I really want to start carrying like less with me just because it gets really overwhelming with my cards, and I feel like having this in my purse would be a lot better, and I can take what I need with me and I don't need to take everything else. This is actually really good quality. I really do like it, and I can totally see myself using this for a little mini wallet, especially for the summer, and I can't wait to use it. This makes me really want to purchase a bag that I've been wanting for a while from them. So this was my first like step into Michael Kors, just to see if I liked it. And in all honesty, I only purchased like one purse or one wallet, and I use it for like a year or longer until it's basically done, or until I've outgrown it or something like that. So I'm excited to try this, and I think if I enjoy this and I use this a lot, then I'll probably invest in a purse. So the next product is the Spongel hand cream. This is coconut verbena. It's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. Now, I am not really big on coconut. I'm not, and anytime there's something with coconut, it just, I don't know, it's not for me. I don't like to eat coconut, and I'm just not big on the smell. So this for me is a pass, but I'll either do like a local giveaway with it, or I know my sister and my mom really like coconut, so maybe one of them would enjoy it. But I do really enjoy their sponges that are infused with soap. I love those so much. They are amazing. They are great. So I know that they do make really good products, and this would probably be a really good hand cream. It's just the scent isn't for me. If it was probably a berry, a vanilla, something like that, I'd probably enjoy it more. I know that they do have different scents on their website, but Spongel is a really good brand that I do really enjoy. So this is one product that I'm just not going to get use out of. And I also feel like you do get quite a bit of product in here. You get 2 ounces, and it's a really nice size, and I like how it is a squeeze tube. So my next product, I was really hoping for the Murad facial cleanser. I am just about out of my Eminence cleanser, and I was so excited and so looking forward to a face cleanser, and that's what I thought I was going to get. But instead I got the Terraco, I believe that's how you pronounce it, foot cream. It's in blood oranges. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit disappointed when I seen I was getting a foot cream, because I have one already, and I just find foot cream is so hard for me to go through. My feet are not that bad, but the scent of this smells like oranges. I think this is gonna motivate me to finish my Mint Mary Kay foot cream and then move on to this one, because I can totally see myself using this because of the scent. There is something with orange and clementine scents that I love, and I feel like I would just use all the time. Like, this smells so good. I really want to even use it on my hands. So I'm very excited to give this a try. Just putting it on the back of my hand, it's already really soft. It went into the skin well. It smells good, and for me to be this like excited over a foot cream is a lot, because in the past in my boxes I did get foot creams, but I gave them away. But this one I'm keeping. I also feel like foot cream for me personally takes a long time to go through, so having 2.5 fluid ounces is gonna last me a very long time. I know that because my Mary Kay one is a little bit bigger, I think, or the same size, and I still have a lot left. So I'm very excited to use this. I think this scent for me personally is going to make me apply it even when I don't need it, and I just can't believe how soft my hands are. So I'm really excited to try this out. It was something that I didn't expect. It was something that I wasn't really looking forward to, but I'm happy that I got it. The last product is the Winky Lux Eyebrow Pencil. This is $16, and I'm very excited. It's supposed to be a universal brow pencil. I've been using the same eyeliner pencil now for 2 years and I'm getting really tired of it. And I was waiting until I used it up to get something new, but I got something new, so maybe I can finally try something else. What I like is it's universal. I find because sometimes my roots are naturally dark and my hair is blonde, sometimes I like cooler eyebrows and sometimes I like darker eyebrows. And I do think this is gonna be really nice and universal, because if you don't want it to be too dark, you don't go too heavy with the hand. If you want it darker, you can go darker, and I feel like it's gonna be a really nice color for me personally. And I also like it because it has a little spoolie on the end. So I feel like because I have this one, I can finally let go of my older one. My little pencil, it was actually the same size as the Winky Look, and it actually took me 2 years to use up that much, and I only have a little bit left. And I'm just, honestly, I'm tired of using it. I even use it as eyeliner sometimes just to use it up, but I just feel like the formula and the color is just not for me, where I'm just really excited to try this one. So I think this is gonna go, and I think I'm gonna keep this one, but I will try it out first and then I'll probably update you guys to let you know what I think. But I am excited that I did get this. This one here doesn't have like a pointy tip. That's the only thing, but I do use like a very, very thin brush sometimes to fill in my eyebrows, so I may have to do that, but I will update you guys in another video on what I think about this one. So, all in all, what do I think about this box? I think it was great. I think for $67, because, you know, I'm from Canada, it was worth it. And I feel like the shipping was good. It came quickly, and I'm excited to use all these products for the summer. But I'm very excited to see what they come out with next. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see me using these products, and if you want to see like a review on them, because I'm sure you'll see them in upcoming videos and in empties videos. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you get Fabfitfun, or what subscription box you get, or what you would like to get. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.